For many individuals and businesses in Nigeria, dealing with international transactions can be a complex and often expensive affair. The challenges of fluctuating exchange rates, high bank fees, and limited access to foreign currency have long been a pain point. This is where modern financial tools like the Wise, formerly TransferWise, debit card come into play, offering a compelling alternative. As a finance expert, I frequently encounter questions about the practicality of using such cards in the Nigerian context. So, let's explore whether you can use a Wise debit card in Nigeria, its functionalities, and what you need to know to make the most of it. The short answer: yes, you can, with important considerations. The good news is, yes, you can generally use a Wise debit card in Nigeria. The Wise card is designed for international spending and ATM withdrawals in over 150 countries, and Nigeria is indeed on that list. This means if you have a Wise account and its associated debit card, you can use it for various transactions within Nigeria. However, generally is the operative word here. Like any international financial instrument, there are specific factors and nuances to understand for seamless usage in Nigeria. How the Wise card works in Nigeria. The Wise debit card is a multi-currency card linked to your Wise account. When you use it in Nigeria, the process is largely similar to using any international debit card. POS transactions: you can use your Wise card at point of sale, POS, terminals in stores, supermarkets, restaurants, and other merchants that accept MasterCard or Visa. Wise cards are typically issued as MasterCard or Visa. Currency conversion: if you have funds in a currency other than Nigerian Naira, NGN, in your Wise account, the card will automatically convert your funds to NGN at the real mid-market exchange rate, with a small, transparent conversion fee. If you have NGN in your Wise account, it will use that directly with no conversion fees. Paying in local currency: always opt to pay in Nigerian Naira, NGN, when prompted by the POS machine. This ensures that Wise, with its favorable exchange rates, handles the conversion rather than the merchant's bank, which might offer a less competitive rate. This is known as dynamic currency conversion, or DCC. ATM withdrawals: you can withdraw cash from ATMs across Nigeria that display the MasterCard or Visa logo. Limits: Wise has daily and monthly ATM withdrawal limits. While Wise itself offers a certain amount of fee-free withdrawals per month, usually a small number of withdrawals up to a certain total amount. After that, a small fee applies. Local ATM fees: be aware that Nigerian ATM operators might charge their own fees for withdrawals. These fees are separate from Wise's charges and will be displayed on the ATM screen before you complete the transaction. It's always wise to check for these local fees. Paying in local currency: similar to POS transactions, when withdrawing cash, choose to withdraw in NGN to ensure Wise's favorable exchange rate is applied. Online purchases: the Wise debit card can also be used for online shopping on Nigerian websites that accept international debit cards. This is particularly useful for those who need to pay for local services or goods online without dealing with traditional bank transfer limitations or less favorable exchange rates. Important considerations for using your Wise card in Nigeria. While the Wise card offers significant convenience, it's crucial to be aware of the following. Card issuance to Nigerian residents. A key point of distinction is that the Wise debit card is generally not available for direct issuance to residents of Nigeria. This means you typically need to have opened your Wise account and ordered your card while residing in a country where Wise offers card services, e.g., UK, US, Europe, Canada, Australia. If you are a Nigerian resident, you may be able to use a Wise account to send and receive money, but obtaining the physical debit card directly in Nigeria is currently not standard practice. If you move to Nigeria after obtaining your card elsewhere, you can continue to use it until it expires, but you won't be issued a new one in Nigeria. Naira balances. While Wise supports sending and receiving Naira, holding a direct NGN balance in your Wise multi-currency account isn't typically the same as holding other major currencies like USD, GBP, or Euro. When you spend in NGN, Wise converts from your other currency balances. Always check the current Wise website or app for the most up-to-date information on supported currencies and features for NGN. Exchange rates. Wise is renowned for offering the mid-market exchange rate, which is the real rate you see on Google. This is a significant advantage over many traditional banks that add a hidden markup. You will only pay a small, transparent conversion fee when converting from one currency to another using your card. Transaction limits. Be mindful of Wise's daily and monthly spending and withdrawal limits. These can vary based on your account's verification level and the country where your card was issued. You can always check your specific limits within the Wise app or on their website. Network acceptance. While MasterCard and Visa are widely accepted in Nigeria, it's always a good idea to confirm if a specific merchant or ATM accepts international cards before attempting a transaction, especially in more rural areas. Internet connectivity. As a digital-first service, smooth operation of your Wise card relies on stable internet connectivity for real-time transaction processing and managing your account via the app. Security. Like any debit card, exercise caution. Keep your PIN secure, be wary of suspicious ATMs, and monitor your transactions through the Wise app. You can instantly freeze and unfreeze your card within the app if you suspect any unauthorized activity, adding a layer of security. Why use a Wise card in Nigeria? Despite the considerations, the Wise debit card offers several compelling benefits for those who can access it and are spending in Nigeria. Cost savings. Significantly lower conversion fees and transparent mid-market exchange rates compared to traditional bank cards. Convenience. A single card linked to multiple currencies, eliminating the need to carry large amounts of cash or manage multiple physical cards from different banks. Transparency. No hidden fees or surprises. You see exactly what you're paying and getting. Control. Manage your spending, view transactions, and freeze/unfreeze your card directly from the Wise app.